Types of quadrilaterals. There are mainly three types of quadrilaterals, namely trapezium, parallelogram and kite. Parallelogram is further of three types, namely rectangle, rhombus and square. A trapezium is a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides is parallel. In the trapezium ABCD, AB is parallel to CD. A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel. Here AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. A rectangle is a parallelogram whose opposite sides are equal and one angle is a right angle. In this rectangle, AB is equal to CD and BC is equal to AD. A rhombus is a parallelogram whose adjacent sides are equal. Here AB is equal to AD and BC is equal to CD. A square is a parallelogram whose all sides are equal and one angle is a right angle. AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. A kite is a quadrilateral whose adjacent sides are equal. That is, AB equals to AD and BC equals to CD.